So this speaking will be use of therefore. So that's why today I'm going to ask you some questions from our Indian language to English. So can you answer me in English?
Yes, of course. Why not, sir?
Okay, good. So let's get started now. You Hajil go here and Allah say Ara Goramud Golina.
The key was lost, therefore we could not interrupt the host.
Okay. Atobula Gilian Allah say Batalam.
I was hungry, therefore I ate rice.
Itara Biara Mashil, Yan Allah say Itara Gilam.
They were sick, therefore we took them to the doctor.
Okay. Ite study gojil and dorogoriere and tanalla Yan Allah site fase bala magler.
He studied hard for the exam, therefore he passed with excellent mark.
Okay. Ite foravelaye set gorare alarm tigorare diare yan Allah bolire dase ita tu gumu tudite late gilio.
He forgot to set an alarm, therefore he woke up late.
Okay. Ara dua school level ara dua student study gojide ekufati yan Allah bolire dase arayo bala entanmodi ki fasi.
We two students studied together, therefore we performed well in the exam.
Very good, excellent. Okay.